a 9th grade student of Bal Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School, Sambar. Today I am thrilled to join this amazing challenge today for a podcast with Dr. Rajesh Agarwal ji. Thank you for joining with us, sir. So let's start with the first question. So, what inspired you to become a doctor?
See, the need of people, the sickness of my family members, the sickness, the way I faced the diseases around me and my family, I got inspired to help people by doing medical studies, and I did that.
Oh, that's amazing. So next question is, sir, how do you think school can better support for a student who aspire to pursue the career in the medical science or healthcare industry?
See, for one thing I must say, Bal Vidya Mandir is already doing everything to do all this. My kids are doing very good, although they are not in medical field, but there are many medical students who have come, studied in Bal Vidya Mandir, and they are doing very good. But still, I would like to focus something. See, in every school, if students who are interested in going in healthcare services, may it be a MBBS, MD, MS, or in nursing healthcare or any other health facility, they should be treated differently. The students should be provided with facilities of better studies in physics, chemistry and biology. They can have extra classes. They can be provided with internships. They can be provided with the exposure with the hospitals. They can be provided with the exposure with the doctors. As I know, for the Bal Vidya Mandir, the management system, management people in Bal Vidya Mandir have a lot of contacts in the local hospitals, local doctors and other people. They can always provide this facility. They can have internships, they can send their students in extra time to the hospitals to have a better exposure of how doctors work. They can have in touch, they can be in touch with the doctors, they can be in touch with the hospital staff, nursing staff, OT staff. They will come to know very closely how does people work, how doctors work, what is the pros and cons of going into medical facility. Some students, it is very inspiring, it is very attractive to become a doctor, but that is only one part of the point. The other phase is very difficult. Those students who come, do hard work, qualify NEET, do MBBS, then again struggle, then do post-graduation, and thereafter when they go into the practice, they cannot face this. The problems which arise in the hospitals, in the medical practice, if students go and see them before they get into it, they will be prepared for it, they will be more motivated, they will have many stories from these doctors if they are exposed to them. So I would suggest those students, ask them, whosoever is interested in the healthcare system, they can go and visit the hospitals, doctors. Otherwise, and one more thing, you can call the doctors, you can call the medical facility nursing staff to your school and have some class, have some seminar with all health. Same seminar you can call doctors, surgeons, gynecologists, pathologists, MBBS, BAMS, Ayurveda, Unani and other nursing staff also, and let the students have exposure about it. Let them tell their struggle story. The students will be inspired about it, somebody will get back, somebody will move forward, and they will look. I think that will help the students to choose their career.
That's great. What advice would you give to the current student of Bal Vidya Mandir school who are interested in the medical, who are interested in the healthcare, or to become a doctor?
The only one advice is, if you want to be a doctor or want to serve people in their medical health, you should be totally dedicated to your target. First, study hard, PCB. These three subjects are very important, and bio students lag in physics and chemistry, mainly in physics. Physics numericals, they should study very nicely so that they qualify better. The students can ask school teachers to have extra classes for their preparations. They can go and study their numericals and other books. They can entrance exam papers, they can solve during 8th, 9th, 10th itself. And they can ask teachers for their exposure of, as I said before, they can have all those things. And I think extra classes can help them. And they should have this idea. They don't have to run for the money. If they want to go for doctors or any health facility, if you serve your patient, if you serve the person who is diseased, who is suffering, if you just dedicate yourself to the treatment part, to the care part, money will automatically flow. You don't have to care about the money. You just have to care about your work. And if you have feelings about the patient's pain, I think that is the best thing you should have in your life.
What do you think are the most significant challenges facing in the healthcare industry today, and how your school and other schools prepare students to address these challenges?
See, today the most important challenge in the healthcare facility is the loss of confidence amongst the patients and the society towards the doctors. They have lost their confidence. They don't believe doctors. They don't believe the health providers. They always think about these doctors that they are doing mischief. They are always cheating the patients. So you have to be prepared and you have to make yourself, you have to work in such a way that you can overcome this social stigma which has developed. Although I can tell you, doctors, 99%, I cannot say 100%, 99% doctors are good, dedicated to their work, and they don't do mischief and cheating with the patient. They will always treat it properly. That's what I feel. But today this has become a challenge. Yes, the competition has become very tough. You have to really work hard, you have to study hard, because all the students who are working for it, who are trying for NEET and other exams, they are doing real hard work. The course has become vast and you have to really work hard. There is no shortcut to success. And for all the students of medical science, all those students who want to prepare for medical science, I would like to give one sentence, write it down, stick in front of you on the study table. There is no shortcut to success.
Again, thank you very much, sir, for joining with us. And this is one of the inspiring for me and for our students of Bal Vidya Mandal School. Again, thank you very much, sir.